Okay. I thought I cut it off. Gotta clean this. I have missed stuff, but it's over there somewhere. Anyway, this is what it looks like in the case. So it's actually like 15.6 inches it said. So it actually gives, you know, 0.6 inches, like 0.3 inches on either side, but whatever, still pretty much fits. And for comparison, this is like how soft the old case was. This is, you know, this is far more like sturdy. Like I said, it's not really that hard shell thing, but look how soft that is. It's like, this is how soft it is. This is how like, it just came with that, like, and I just left it in there because it has literally like no padding at all. It's just like so good. So that's the old one, and like I said, I never brought it like anywhere yet, but since I might be going on trips while I'm still in my class, like, I figured, you know, I might have to take this on the plane next time. So this is a little bit sturdier.